how to change your name on Facebook. So it's very simple to do. So let's go ahead into our Facebook, and you want to go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner, and then you want to go to the three lines at the top left corner. So from here, you want to scroll down until you see where it says settings and privacy, and you want to go to your settings and then go to your account center. So you just want to click on the top where it says profiles and personal details, and go ahead and choose your Facebook profile that you want to change the name to. So I'm just going to choose this one here. And from here, you just want to go to where it says name. And so here's where you're going to make your changes. You can change your first name, your middle name, and your last name. You can also add other names as far as nicknames and things like that you want to have on your profile. So you can go ahead and type in a nickname if you want and save it. That way that will also pop up on your profile. But it's important to know, so let's just make a change here. So I'm just going to write in Michael. And it's important to know that you cannot change this for 60 days. So make sure you have the correct name there, the correct way to spell it. So from this point, you would go ahead and hit review change. And this is your last step, and it's going to show you how it's going to appear on your profile. And from there, you would go ahead and save changes. And that's it. That's how you would change your name on Facebook. And remember, it's permanent for 60 days. And then from that point, you can go ahead and change it. But that's it. That's how you would change your name on Facebook.